how we can solve this equation. The equation is if a plus b equal abc, b plus c equal abc, and c plus a equal abc. So we need to prove this, and we will find out the value of a here. And we also prove that a equal b equal c. So at first we can calculate, this is the equation number 1. We can take, this is the equation number 2, and this is the equation number 3. So if we can subtract from the equation number 1 to equation number 2, then we find that a plus b minus b minus c equal ABC minus ABC. Because a plus b minus c, we can put it here. Then we can omit the b and b. So a minus c equal, we can, if we subtract from ABCD, then it will be 0. So we can write a equal c. In the similar way, we can subtract equation 3 from the equation 2. That means 2 minus equation 3 equal to, we can write b plus c minus a equal, substitute this in, b plus c minus a equal a b c minus a b c. Then we can write the minus c plus c can omit, so b minus a equal, if we can subtract this here, 0. So we can write b equal a. Here we can use this equation as number 4, and this will be equation number 5. Now we can write from the equation number 4 and 5, we can write a equal b equal to c, and we can use this as equation number 6. Now equation number 1, we can write a plus b equal a b c. Here we can put the meaning of a and b. So a plus b means a equal a into b means a, and c also means a. A equal b equal c, that means c means a and b means a. We can write this. After that we can write a and a, that means twice a equal a into a into a, that means we can write a cube. So here we can write twice a minus a cube equal 0. Here we can take common a from both, then 2 minus a square equal 0. So we can write a equal 0 and 2 minus a square equal 0. So a square equal 2. So from here we can write a equal plus minus root over 2. Then root over, when a square go to the right side, then it plus root over. That means a equal plus root over 2 and a equal minus root over 2. So finally we can write a equal b equal c equal 0 because a means 0, equal root over 2 because a equal root over plus 2, equal minus root over 2. We can find all this. So this is the answer. Thank you for watching.